If you're looking for an all-in-one trading strategy that works well on all time frames and all pairs, then you should try this trading strategy. Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading FX channel. The trading strategy we'll discuss in this video works well on all time frames. You can use this trading strategy for scalping, day trading, intraday, or even swing trading. Moreover, this trading strategy also works well on all assets, from forex, gold or xauusd, crypto, stocks, and more. We'll make sure to present this video in great detail, so it will be very easy to understand. So, make sure you stay with us until the end of the video, and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Now, open your trading view. We will demonstrate this trading strategy using a 15-minute time frame on forex trading. First, go to the Search tab for indicators. In the Search tab, type in Vwap Divergence V2. Then, select the Vwap Divergence V2 indicator by xauusd. Now, let's set up this indicator. Go to the Indicator Settings tab. In the Input tab, leave the indicator on its default settings. Next, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, change the Vwap color to yellow. Then, change the Vwap shape to a line. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. This Vwap indicator will be used as a trend guide as well as to see if the price is too high or too low. If the price candlestick is in the lower area, it indicates that the price is too low or can be said to be in an overbought area. On the other hand, if the candlestick is in the upper area, it indicates that the price is too high, or it can be said that the price is in an oversold area. The Vwap line will function as a trend guide in the market. If the price candlestick crosses or closes above the Vwap line, it is a sign of a bullish trend. On the other hand, if the price candlestick crosses or closes below the Vwap line, it is a sign of a bearish trend. Now, let's add the second indicator that will be used as a guide for entry in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and then type in RSI Divergence. Then, select RSI Divergence Taurus by Matsu Bitmex. Next, let's set up the RSI Divergence Indicator. Open the RSI Divergence Indicator Settings tab. In the Input tab, leave the indicator on its default settings. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove all markers except for the upper line, lower line, center line, and RSI. Then, adjust the thickness and color of the RSI line according to your preference. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. We will use bullish divergence and bearish divergence patterns to place orders in the market. Bullish divergence is a situation where the price forms a lower low or a new lowest point, while the indicator forms a higher low or a new lowest point at a higher level compared to the previous low. On the other hand, bearish divergence is a situation where the price forms a higher high or a new highest point, while the indicator forms a lower high or a new highest point at a lower level compared to the previous high. Now, let's discuss how to place orders in the market using this bullish and bearish divergence method. How to place a buy order. If the price candlestick is in the oversold area and the trend formed is bearish, pay attention to the market structure. If the market structure forms a low and a lower low pattern, then observe the movement of the RSI indicator. If, at the same time, the RSI indicator forms a low and a new higher low, this is a sign of bullish divergence. Before placing an order, make sure that this is a valid bullish divergence. You can draw a trend line from the low to the lower low on the price candlestick, and then draw a line from the low to the higher low on the RSI indicator. Wait until the trend changes from bearish to bullish, indicated by the candlestick closing or being above the VWAP line. As a final confirmation, make sure that the RSI signal line has crossed or is above the center line, and that the candlestick formed is a bullish candlestick. If all the conditions are confirmed, you can place a buy order after the candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss at the last swing low. Use a target take profit with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If the price candlestick is in the overbought area and the trend formed is bullish, pay attention to the market structure. If the market structure forms a high and a higher high pattern, then observe the movement of the RSI indicator. If, at the same time, the RSI indicator forms a high and a new lower high, this is a sign of bearish divergence. Before placing an order, make sure that this is a valid bearish divergence. You can draw a trend line from the high to the higher high on the price candlestick, and then draw a line from the high to the lower high on the RSI indicator. Wait until the trend changes from bullish to bearish, indicated by the candlestick closing or being below the VWAP line. As a final confirmation, make sure that the RSI signal line has crossed or is below the center line, and that the candlestick formed is a bearish candlestick. If all the conditions are confirmed, you can place a sell order after the candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss at the last swing high. Use a target take profit with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology, as no trading strategy is 100% perfect. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That's all for now, and see you in the next video.